Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get QR code for WhatsApp. So let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Tap on the settings option from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, look for the QR code icon next to your profile option. It's usually located at the top of the settings list. Tap on the QR code icon to view and access your WhatsApp QR code. This code can be scanned by others to quickly add you as the contact. And this is how you can get QR code for WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.